Hello and welcome. In today's episode you will see how I'm removing all the fuel piping fuel system of Mazda 6 2.2 diesel Skyactiv 2017. So firstly I started from the overflow injector fuel return. Now removing all the piping that goes to the injectors, so injector feed basically, and the next part was the rail feed from the pump. There are two metal pipes. Ideally you want to remove them both if you want to remove the whole fuel system, because sometimes they can be in the way, plus they're very delicate. So next it's another banjo that is a fuel return from the rail, and that's rail of two 14mm bolts as far as I remember. So now you've got injectors, so I marked them up 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to, but I did, just to put them back into the original spot. So it's number 1, you first loosen off the bolt at the top from the collar, and then gently prying them up. They will just pop up. You can just pull them out, then take the studs out. Same for rest of them. It's just with the last one, what I noticed, that if you loosen off the top 2 nuts and then you slide your 10mm underneath the injector collar, you can actually lift the whole injector up with the studs, as you're gonna see in a second, just after this one. That's just 2 studs that you need to remove, and the last one you will see how I'll do it, which it's strangely enough after 4 attempts I've managed to see. So you loosen the top 2 nuts off, lift the collar up, that will lift the injectors and the whole thing comes up. That's it. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it, hopefully it wasn't too fast, and see you at the next one.